there are mistakes I normally see people doing in Excel, and I wonder how comes they're not investing a lot of time to understand really Excel. Excel is something that is very important, especially for you as an accountant at your workplace. So you'll get somebody in this case here, for example, somebody would want to get the total amount here of fees paid. So you'll get somebody saying equals, doing it the long way, like sum. So then they'll be able to pick this sum by saying tab there, and then they'll be able to highlight this from 5,000 to 7,000, all the numbers that they want to sum. They close brackets like that, they say control enter, they're getting to 9,000. So I want to undo this because I don't like this approach. I'll come and say control Z, control Z. So when I'm here, and I would want in this case here to sum, the easiest thing to do is to press constantly, continuously, this Alt, ALT. When I say Alt like that, then I'll be able to say equals, all right? Alt equals. Alt equals, Alt equals. So once I have this Alt equals like that, then I'll be able to say here, and I'll still get that 29,000. Alt equals, very important tool for doing automatic summation. Thank you, and please keep on following and ensure that you study Advanced Excel / Business Data Analytics with RCM Online College. We are the best in the region.